Someone say, right? Yes, that was. Splendid, splendid, very splendid to look at. अजय हमरा की जल्दी काम बोलना चाहिए. Rashmika, it's so good to see you. Nice to see you. You're fantastic in Shari. Guys, 1 second. Calm down, Rashmika. Rashmika, the channel has obviously broken the internet. There's a lot that's coming your way. You're looking in now. Also, with the charm in every scene, what would you like to say? How are you dealing with all this love?
Pehle to, hi everyone, how are you? Having fun, we're just starting, so are you excited for a great show? Ha, Ninbana. Thank you. How am I feeling with all the love? I feel extremely grateful. Thank you. Grateful. And I look forward to Thama release. I think it's going to be a different experience for all of you. Thank you so much for giving us all this love always. I love you. Thank you so much. You make my life worth living. Thank you.
Just do what you do normally. This. I start doing this with every person in my life now. Rashmika, ही मैडॉक का इवेंट किसी सरप्राइज के बिना पूरा ही नहीं होता.
जी.
And I've heard that today while we're on stage there is another surprise for us.
Yeah.
क्या हम उस सरप्राइज को हम सरप्राइज कर सकते हैं? Can we not wait anymore? Can you please reveal?
Well, are you guys excited?
Are we excited?
Actually,
surprise.
I think the surprise now should just go as a surprise. You don't know what you're looking forward for, so be surprised.
Be surprised. Be surprised. But you gotta be excited also. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ फोन पकड़ के खड़े. Excitement. Right?
Okay, but listen, I've just realized that Maddock Universe, Dinesh sir, Amar Kaushik sir cannot do without great iconic music, okay? And with iconic music, you need someone iconic to be a part of that music, right? To lead the music. So today we have the legend, the LG,
Very nice to see you. That's great. Then we will Rashmika on stage. It's G. Industry because the air gets hotter. Hotter than so many more degrees. But like, I don't know how you do it every time. But this is the first time you're part of the unforgettable, the most amazing scene, which is the Melody Universe. How does it feel to be a part of this?
Thank you. They're sharing. Yeah, they're sharing.
Well, good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for that beautiful introduction. I'm super excited to be part of the Maddock horror comedy universe. It's been a great privilege to be part of it. I think after so long, I really enjoyed the song. I'm really looking forward to it. Now, it's going to be a dhamaka.
Rashmika, of course, standing up and Malaika joining this entire universe. Are we ready? We need to Sachin ji,
Depression
This yeah. Check, check. Oh yeah. Very good to see you. Are amazing. Let's begin with the song. Thank you, thank you. Two seconds, 2 seconds. That is guys and guys, please quickly. Wait. Oh. Give them check, check.
Yes.
We good? We good?
Let's go.
Ready? Sing for Jason. Sing. I got this.
All right.
आप लोग सब तैयार हैं भाई लोग?
स्टार्टिंग जो 4 लाइन है उसमें गाए नहीं आपके सकते हैं ठीक है बहुत कोशिश किया मैं काम करके गाने हम बस सब शॉर्ट से
Let's go. Okay, let's see some nice short notes. 3. Yeah. Good. But you've got a flight to catch. You. Should I take this one from yes. ठीक है.
इसकी फोटो
जी. Can you please? Thank you. Cindy got on stage again, forget the night, please come on stage. I'm done. Luckiest girl on the planet. As far as my voice is concerned, I was born in Punjab, so you could just imagine. Nice. So, Pratik, मैंने आज जैस्मिन जब आपने मलाइका में देखा, did you think it's going to get that gusto? Crazy. Energy, which is maddening. What was your first reaction when you saw Malaika dance to this song? It is so sultry, it is so beautiful, it is so elegant, and then how she moves the whole world has danced to Malaika. Since we can remember, the whole world is right now watching what's going to happen next. It's song after song after song. We're just unstoppable, baby. Love that. Of course, Atul, I have too many questions to ask. This night is not going to be enough. I have to thank Universal Music along with Spotify Advertising and Marriott for getting all of us together under the same roof. सबसे पहली बात. But Divi, तुम्हारे आज के लिए मेरा जो सवाल है is every time you sing, you make me want to dance. Every time. Do you dance on your songs as well? Or like one of those actors जो खुद की फिल्में नहीं देखते?
Oh my god, you have to see him dance.
Really?
And trust me, Farid was singing if you've seen dance. He's such a good dancer. He's a phenomenal dancer, actually. ऐसा ना जॉर्जन बेबी का स्टेप भी अलग कर सकता है लेकिन मैंने देखा है तो मैंने देखा नहीं अच्छे से मैं आगे बाइक पर कोशिश कर मैं रात और सच में मेरी लाइफ में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट किया है फ्रेंड बोलता है कुछ तो और मैं तो इंडी सारी जगह से लड़ा कि मैं जुड़ा हुआ हूँ एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू मेरा सर और सचिन जी है इतना आइकॉनिक गाने में तो डांस करने का करने का बच्चे सारे जितने छोड़ के हमारा ही गाना है एंड यस ऑफ कोर्स आई डांस टू these songs also and thank you once again for this wonderful song Sachin ji and being a part of this wonderful project and thank you very much और ये ऐसे प्यार वर्षा करें मेरा हर फिल्म में मेरे तक मेरा शासन है
कैसे भी प्लीज क्लैप देवी को वेरी क्विकली देखिए आप लोग जिसको मैं स्टेज पे बुलाने वाली हूँ we will get chatting along with Sachin Jigar of course the magicians behind the music of Thamu and Sri and Munja but वो लड़के को बुलाते हैं दिमाग खराब करके रख दिया है ठीक है राजना चावल लवर सिंगिंग जिसमें एंड वर्ड देखी है That man is probably the coolest beta in town. Can we please put our hands up together? For one, the only Ayushman. फोन को आप रख सकते हैं आप माइक भी रख सकते हैं ये भी कर सकते हैं अब आयुष्मान आ गए तो मैं क्यों पीछे Can we please make some noise आयुष्मान nice for the leading lady जो इस ब्लडी स्टोरी का हिस्सा और ये नहीं है तो क्या ही चाम सुनना अच्छा मजा आएगा वापस गिर ना जाओ Okay, we have some questions. Obviously, Rashmika का माइक जरा दे दीजिए दे दो माइक हाथ दे रही हैं दीदी हमें हाथों है 3-4 माइक की क्या ही जरूरत है ओके
Oh, really? That's a different mic. I don't know. So cool. Can I also have it?
Rashmika, everybody wants to know what's chatting between you and Vegas. But we will continue with Thama for now. Guys, this is 1/4 team of Thama. सचिन जी का आपसे सवाल पूछने ही आ रहे हैं ढेर सारे लेट्स काउंट ऑल योर सॉन्ग्स ऐसे गिनूंगी ना तो मतलब मेरी उंगलियां कम पड़ जाएंगी लेट्स काउंट मेक सम नॉइज कहाँ से ही शुरू करूं Sachin Jigar, is there any specific special formula for MH for the Maddock Horror Comedy Universe or is it the regular formula?
No, the formula is sir, and his trust in music.
Yeah.
He keeps music above everything. Whether with us or with any other composer, I think his priority is to make great music. And he's one of the only producers I've seen who really waste the time. इतना देते हैं म्यूजिक को और तो आज तक उस पर मेहनत करने देते हैं और खुद भी करते हैं. So I think इसमें magic formula is Dinesh Vijan sir, and I think we are absolutely grateful. We have done so much work with him. And I can promise you, this is just the beginning.
Guys, just एक और बात कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि सचिन जिगर को कंफ्यूज कर लेते हैं जिगर सचिन just reminding you it is a possibility yeah this is forever now tattoo बना लो अपने दिमाग के अंदर it's a photo वाली memory Sachin your question Poison Baby we just saw it is a banger track of course the choreography is amazing Jasmine and Divya are beautiful what was the vibe in the studio जब आप ये banger track को अपने मसाले melodies डाल के बना रहे थे
जो जिगर ने कहा उसमें सिर्फ एक चीज ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि हमारा जो कॉम्बिनेशन है उसमें बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट कड़ी है अमिताभ भाई जो लिरिक्स लिखते हैं एंड क्लियरली रिमेम्बर कि हम लोग गाना बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, ये बीट भी थी बट वी वर नॉट ट्रैकिंग इट जब तक he arrived at Poison Baby. I mean, he said Poison Baby and boom, the song was there. So I think songs really literally come out of thin air. We can stand here all night long, take credit for it. But I think जब साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं, स्पेशली जितनी पॉजिटिविटी बीनू सर के पास है, ऐसा लगता है कि उनके पास जब भी जाके एक गाना तो बनेगा ही बनेगा, अच्छा बुरा चाहे जो हो. And there's always that process of elimination. So there are just very few processes we follow. मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग आपस में इतने बड़े क्रिटिक्स हैं एक दूसरे के कि किसी और को मौका ही नहीं देना है, बस जो कि खुद ही कर लेंगे.
Guys, Sachin, you got 60 rows and counting, bro. It's crazy. Crazy. Guys, can you please put your hands up together? देखिए बहुत सारे गाने सबको सेलिब्रेट करना है, समय बहुत कम है. Can I please ask Jasmine and Divya Kumar to just get back in the seat, get some popcorn, get entertained, and we move on to the next track. Guys, can we please put our hands up together for Jasmine and Divya Kumar and let the others stay on stage. Thank you, Jasmine. That's it. Thank you. All right, guys, after all that information, we're going to slow down for a moment of magic. We're talking about Maddock. When we talk about Maddock, we talk about iconic songs. We talk about songs which we pass on as a generational gift to people. Yes, Amar Kaushik is here. Amar Kaushik in the house. Can we please have you see you? The man with the vision, the man who's creative. लेकिन हम रह नहीं पा रहे हैं.
हाँ तो पहले
हम करेंगे सबसे पहले. हम नहीं रह पा रहे हैं. अमर जी, आपने ये मौका दिया है हमें, इसके लिए हम बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं. I'm going to call upon one of the very important people, the vital people of making this album happen. सौम्यदीप को जरा बुलाते हैं, ठीक है? Yes, can we please have सौम्यदीप on stage? Guys, जो उनकी शक्ल देख पा रहे हैं आज. Can we please get सौम्यदीप can you have the video and can you have the song which is breaking the internet called The Soul उठाना रहे ना रहे हम. ये से काम करना.
मुझे पता नहीं क्या बोलना चाहिए. Such as for say, I'm very so grateful for Susan sir and Jigar sir कि बहुत से रखने के लिए और मतलब और बहुत सारे भी बहुत 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 शुक्रिया उनको भी कि मेरे जैसे नए आवाज को जब फिल्मफेयर मिलेगा उसके लिए थोड़ा बजाते रहे. चलो गाना सुनते.
On film for this year. Oh.
Are you guys gonna sing with us? Let's go.
अरे मेरे दिल की बात सुन ली। जब इतने दिल से गाना बनता है तो दिल की बात सुन ही ली जाती है। Can we please clap for सौम्यदीप? एक बहुत ही फन फैक्ट है मैडॉक जब भी एक फिल्म बनाते हैं कोशिश करते हैं एक नई आवाज ले आए। And as जिगर just mentioned सौम्यदीप ने ये गाना गाया। This is a new voice. Can we please clap for the boy सौम्यदीप? Can we please clap for so cute?
इसमें क्लैप करने वाली क्या बात है?
क्या मैं जब भी शेयर आजकल देख रही हूँ मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को भी नहीं देख रही क्योंकि मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है ही नहीं। Oh my God. Ayushman, how did this song connect personally to you? I'd really like to know.
This was the announcement song of a film.
Yeah.
आज से पूरा 1 साल पहले पिछली दिवाली पर ये गाने के साथ हमने फिल्म अनाउंस की थी and it went viral. ये सब उसका मुखड़ा आया था और वो ट्रेंड कर रहा था रील्स पर। ये वाला गाना 1 साल पहले सिर्फ अनाउंसमेंट थे and we were all waiting for this song and finally this has come alive and what a great job done guys. Sachin Jigar song.
Yes.
अच्छा Bhattacharya everyone.
1 साल पहले ये अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था फिल्म का और आज डीनो सर ने बताया कि एक और अनाउंसमेंट है कि इस गाने का एक आयुष्मान खुराना वर्जन भी आने वाला है। तो आपने तो हम सब चाहेंगे कि आयुष्मान कैन यू प्ले दिस?
नहीं आई थिंक जब वर्जन आएगा उसके बाद गाऊंगा मैं। वर्जन के बाद गाऊंगा।
गाइए ऐसा मत करिए हमारे गाइस
फिर साथ में गाएंगे साथ में गाएंगे बिल्कुल बिल्कुल माइनसों की जरूरत कर सकते हैं।
Can we please play the track guys? Thank you.
इसी की मेरे पास का ट्रैक अलग है बाय द वे। बहुत अच्छा वर्जन है वो बिल्कुल।
Ayushman.
कहाँ से शुरू हो गए? Let me know. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's fine.
Everybody. Off the stage quickly. सचिन जिगर के क्रिएशंस के बारे में आपकी सबसे फेवरेट चीज कौन सी है? What is that one thing that you really love about Sachin Jigar's creations?
सचिन से जिगर सर की अरेंजमेंट्स सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत मॉडर्न फ्यूचरिस्टिक गाने जो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत रूटेड साउंड करता है, क्योंकि उस गाने में शुरू में थोड़ा स्मूथनेस, थोड़ा कामनेस, और बाद में जो बीट आता है एकदम वाइब भी कर सकते हैं बहुत.
So far, ungodly but not. Yes. Yeah, so something like that. Swami Deep ke liye taaliyan. Aman Kaushik, thank you so much for joining us on stage. Rashmika, what were your feelings when you heard this track? Because I know this is going to go down the generations as one of the best love songs, and I don't want to play this. पर मैं जानती हूँ सचिन जिगर के गानों को. I know what Pardesia did, and I know what this is going to do. How about you? What was your first reaction?
It's definitely gonna do what you don't want it to do, which is just going to eat you alive. Yeah, it's just on the loop and loop and loop because it's happening to me right now.
Right.
But as in, this is the first song I heard from the film because Dinesh sir had just played me the song and I was like, okay, because I was like, okay, what is the emotion of the film, right? And this is the reference he had given, and today to see it come out in such a magical and enchanting way is something so special. And of course, Sachin sir and Jigar sir, I don't know how you guys do it. 16 years of non-stop blockbuster stuff. Really, I'm very proud, and I'm very grateful that I get to be in their direction.
Yeah. Listen, I'm going to get into the next song as well, right? लेकिन अमर सर यहाँ पे मैं quickly पूछना चाहती हूँ. I know it's crazy. I know there's a lot of emotion. 21st of October is going to make all of us a little cuckoo in the head. क्योंकि already हम थोड़े से cuckoo हो चुके हैं. आप बताइए, इसमें हंस भी रहे हैं, डर भी रहे हैं, प्यार भी हो रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. Where can you find the fine balance while you're creating something like this? How did it not drive you cuckoo in the head?
हाँ, एक्चुअली ये सबको ही ड्राइव करता है, मतलब ऐसा सिर्फ मुझे नहीं, सबको ही होता है.
मामा बन रहे हैं वैसे, सही बात है.
देखिएगा क्या बनाता है वो.
Right.
बट यस, ये गाने के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ. ये गाना जब से इन्होंने हमको सुनाया है, पिछले 1 साल से हमारे कान में बज रहा था. इवन शूट पे भी हम ये बजाते रहे जब भी हमको कुछ इमोशन लेके आना होता था, और हम पूरा एकदम डायरेक्टर ने जब ये गाना प्लेस किया है फिल्म में, कमाल आया. देखिएगा फिल्म में किस तरीके से ये फिल्म को और एनहांस करता है.
We cannot wait for the Thama on the 21st of October. Can we please clap for it, Kaushik? Can we please ask Rashmika, Ayushman, Sachin Jigar to tear down on stage? Amar sir, thank you. अभी जाने का time हो गया है. This is your cue to leave, but it's our cue to move on to the next hamaka of a song. Can we please? Now this one is definitely. I know I've been talking about every song like this is my favorite. This is also my favorite. This one definitely is all our favorite. It's called Tum Mere. Rashmika's killing it. She's thrilling it. She's just sizzling it. Once hands the singer Shaggy Mishra stay so that she can sing this track. And can you please and it's raining, thank you. Just it's breaking the internet. Over to you. Please cue the music. Thank you so much. Certainly, I thank you for composing this. I'm quickly going to be a very rude child. I'm going to ask all the three of you, just the three of you, to go down for a take. आप यहाँ से भी जा सकती हैं मैम. अच्छा. And Angela, please. This song is obviously dedicated to Ayushman from me. Guys, I don't think I'm going to 1 second. उससे पहले हम डांस करेंगे ना. And Rishmi, कर लूँ. मैसेज कर लूँ किसी को भी. तीस अक्टूबर को आप आयुष्मान पिंडिया आयुष्मान रश्मिका
It's her song. I'm not in the song. I'm just. मैं reaction करने वाले में यार.
You're such a great spirit in every song. It's just nice to have you around, Ayushman. Can we please clap for Rashmika and Ayushman? Can we please
Rashmika.
on stage? Can we also have Shraddha on stage as well? यहाँ से आ जाओ. वहाँ से आपके पैरों में तकलीफ मत दो. Thank you. Wow. Amar sir, please come on stage as well. Thank you. सबके लिए एक माइक दे दीजिए प्लीज. There you go.
Sorry.
There you go. All right. Rashmika, when I saw this chemistry is as fresh as the kind of makhan my daddy used to make fresh on the paratha. This chemistry is sizzling on the paratha. Yummy paratha.
That's where we're going.
We'll come back. We'll come back to Tum Mere. What's the secret sauce? We've never seen you do something like this.
Yes. The reason why, as in, it just came out of thin air. Like sirs have been saying that music comes out of thin air, but this truly, for me as an artist, came out of thin air because one day, Amar sir, Aditya sir, Dinesh sir were just sitting on the set, and they were like, you know what? We have idea, and why don't we just shoot a song? It just came like that, and I was like, let's go. And I didn't know what I was walking into. And I had just come out of a fracture, which was like 3 months in, and they told me that this is the song that they want to shoot for. And I was like, huh, but how are you going to dance for this song?
Yes.
Because this is like a very heartbreak sort of a song, but also it is so interesting of how for a music like this they've created a dance like this. So I remember it just came out of that, and today to see it happen like this, and I always wanted to surprise my audience in a way that they didn't know what to look forward to. And I think Maddock is the best arena to do that.
Trust me. I mean, it's crazy. Rashmika on that track in Tum Mere with all those moves is driving the country and the globe crazy. Can we please clap for Rashmika, guys? Thank you very much. Ayushman, we've seen you sing, we've seen you act. You're wonderful at everything that you do. Yeah. I know you're modest about it, but for once you can say, I'm crazy. I'm amazing.
I'm crazy. I'm not sure I'm amazing or not, and I'm crazy for sure.
Amazing for sure. How does it feel when a stunning song like this is filmed for you?
Well, of course, this is completely Rashmika's song. I'm there admiring her beauty in the
Yeah.
song. That's my character in the song, and she's of course singing for me. But yeah, it's her song. There's one section in between I'm dancing, but overall she's done the dancing and everything. We had 2 days to rehearse. Last day on the set, और वो set बहुत खूबसूरत था. वो तोड़ने से पहले उस बात को utilize करना चाहते थे. And we did that song. That was so impromptu as Rashmika said. तो ये इसके पीछे की कहानी है, but this is one of my favorite tracks in the film. और it has a good mix of everything. I think.
Yes. That's true. And all songs bring this lovely flavor constantly. Sachin Jigar, we've spoken about this, we've established you're redefining the music of the universe. One track at a time, one step at a time. How do you keep surprising us every time? Sachin, like, bol.
No, it's we have to surprise ourselves first.
Yes.
And let me tell you, ये म्यूजिक एक्चुअली सरप्राइज नहीं है, ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ी सरप्राइज है, क्योंकि जब हमें बताया था मेरा विनोद सर ने कि वी आर मेकिंग लव स्टोरी इन द हॉरर यूनिवर्स एंड वी नीड अ लव सॉन्ग एंड वी मेड रहे ना रहे हम, तुमको चला यार ऐसा तो क्या ही प्यार कर लेंगे, है ना। लेकिन जब हमने फिल्म देखी तो मुझे ऐसा भी प्यार कर सकते हैं। सो आई थिंक इट्स द यूनिवर्स दैट सरप्राइजेस अस एंड गिव्स अस द स्कोप टू प्ले।
Right. Sachin, if you had to give Jigar rating out of 10.
For his looks,
For his looks,
20 out of 10.
3 categories. For his looks, for him as a partner, as a co-composer, and for his vision.
See, you know, his all vision is coming from Dinesh Vision.
Yes.
But you know, I mean, can't be more luckier.
Yeah.
उसका नाम ही जिगर है. He's the rebel in the combination. He's the getter, and he's also the one who doesn't sleep at nights, saying कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते दोबारा. So he's the one that sets a very high standard for us to break. And just like he said, sometimes I feel कि अगर गाना चलता है तो I'm not surprised because वो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. So really there's such a huge cancellation amongst all of us. अगर मुझे जिगर को, डीनर सर को और अमिताभ भाई को पसंद आ जाए तो फिर अमन सर एंटर करते हैं, तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन ही हमारा है।
कमाल है। कुछ भी कहे और श्रद्धा से मैं पूछने वाली हूँ सब आदित्य सर पे प्लीज मेक सम नॉइज। Said, I'm sure Aditya's got 28,000 things to do, but he's still here. Aditya, आपसे तो सवाल पूछेंगे, of course. We need to know everything about Rama. एक एक करके. श्रद्धा से पहले सवाल पूछते हैं very quickly. Shraddha, this song is killing it. It's killing it. It is breaking the chart on Spotify. How does it feel to A, sing in front of this audience, and B, to be a part of a song like that?
First of all, I'm just a presenter here, and the song is actually sung by Madhubanti ma'am, and I am very happy कि सर ने मुझे यहाँ पे चूज किया कि मैं आप लोगों के सामने ये गाना प्रेजेंट कर सकूँ, because I'm a huge fan of Sachin sir and Jigar sir, and I'm also a student of them, और बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ मधुबंती मैम की भी, और आप लोगों के सामने of course मुझे गाने का ये सौभाग्य मिला, so इसके लिए thank you so much, thank you.
That's incredible, guys. Can you please give Mishra? आदित्य, आपका ये सवाल मैं आपसे पूछने वाली, आपका ये सवाल मैं ही पूछ रही हूँ। आदित्य, the question for you is, this is gaining more and more energy every day. It's, as I said, killing it on the internet every day. There's a lot of anticipation for the 21st of October. हमने ना आयुष्मान को, ना रश्मिका को, ना परेश रावल को, ना नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी को, ना फैजल मलिक को, ना मलाइका को, ना नेहा को, ना सचिन जिगर को इस अवतार में देखा है। एंटिसिपेशन आपके लिए कैसे? क्या आप रोज सुबह को अपना ब्लड प्रेशर चेक कर रहे हैं सर?
ब्लड प्रेशर तो नहीं चेक करा एक्चुअली, आज मैं ऑन माई वे फ्रॉम सेंसर स्क्रीनिंग टू मिक्सिंग एंड दिया है, और वो ऐसे टाइम पे ना हम अभी की फिल्म कंप्लीट करने के लिए और डिलीवर करने के लिए 2 दिन, तो अभी और मैं हम दोनों ऐसे घूम रहे हैं। जिगर वी बी मीटिंग हिम ऑन एंड ऑफ ऑन द मिक्सिंग सेशंस, बट anticipation is there for all of us also. Yeah, we are really looking forward to showing everyone the film. I want to show them the film. I want to show you all the film. So, and we want to put our best film ahead. We want to put the best version of the film ahead. So, अभी जैसे काउंटिंग डेज, अभी 21st को रिलीज हो रही है फिल्म, तो हमारे लिए उसको 4 दिन पहले देनी होती है फिल्म, डिलीवर करनी होती है फिल्म, तो वी हाँ टाइम है थोड़ा टाइम है, इतना टाइम नहीं है, बट इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग टू सी हाउ पीपल आर लविंग द सॉन्ग दैट वी आर पुटिंग आउट देयर. And so much hard work done by everybody is being appreciated, which is great to see. तो अभी anticipation 21st की मुझे ज्यादा है. ब्लड प्रेशर मैं चेक मेरा नहीं कर रहा हूँ. इनको प्रोड्यूसर साहब को ज्यादा टेंशन भी हो सकता है, बट
ब्लड प्रेशर चेक करेंगे, अगर ब्लड चूस रही है एक ही आदमी है, ब्लड सकर right next to you. So it doesn't sound right, but it is the truth. 21st of October, drama comes in the theaters. Thank you so much. We're going to have a quick photo op with all of you all. I'm going to quickly take your mics and quickly call you again for another segment. Sorry. धन्यवाद. नहीं आपका फोटो आप कैसे उतरोगे? Thanks for the photo. Please call upon Shah Director, Universal Music, and from Advertising, and we please clap for them as well. Sometimes we need encouragement while we're taking photo. Thank you. Okay, while Ayushman and Rashmika take their respective seats, thank you. You can take a seat. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, can you please have the track? Poison Baby. वैसे तो पूरी रात बजना चाहिए लेकिन अभी बजा लो फटाफट से.
Is Jasmine gonna sing right now? The Punjabi Queen?
आजा. I take a second. Stop. Last class. Stop that. Stop that. Come here, come here. Yeah. Here. Out to Sari. Aditya, you stay with me. Thank you. आप रखते हो ऐसे थोड़ी. Guys, obviously, this is we're marking almost the end of tonight. I quickly want to say thank you for all of you to come here. आखिरी कुछ सवाल जो हमारे लिए हमारे पास रश्मिका, आयुष्मान, आदित्य सर के लिए. आदित्य, आपके ऊपर ये सवाल है अभी. इन दोनों में से सबसे ज्यादा नॉटी कौन है और सबसे ज्यादा सिंसियर कौन है?
एक्चुअली दोनों बहुत सिंसियर है और नॉटी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. आई थिंक वेरी वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग यार. एक्चुअली हाँ, ये करेक्ट बोली हुई है. नॉटीनेस के लिए टाइम ही नहीं था हमारे पास. वी वर शूटिंग बैक टू बैक रोज. क्या नॉटीनेस करे यार. बट एक्चुअली हमारे प्रोड्यूसर नॉटी वो निकल गया वहां से. आपने उनका गाने में देखी झलक. तो जो नॉटीनेस किया उन्होंने गाने में तो अमर जी ने किया है. He's been a lot of fun to work with, but दोनों बहुत सिंसियर एक्टर्स है. आई थिंक दे पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट इन. सो नॉटी तो है नहीं दोनों. थोड़ी नॉटीनेस करनी पड़ेगी ना. और
Is it anyone in the cast who is very, very naughty or just would make you laughed so much that you couldn't concentrate.
परेश
Raval.
जी why he was naughty, you know, उनकी naughtiness ऐसे नहीं है because उनके रेफरेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स इतने हैं. हम उनको रोज सेट पे पूछते थे कि अरे आपका वो उस फिल्म का डायलॉग आपने कैसे किया था और मेरा फिर अंदाज अपना अपना हमारे इतने
Fanboys around him.
fanboys around him, yeah. And he used to do it for us, huh? म्हणजे he used to reenact, he used to tell us some amazing stories about his films. So Paresh ji was the naughtiest.
Nice. Guys, Ayushman Khurrana, so many questions have already been asked to you about drama, about your anticipation, about the excitement, about कैसा लग रहा है Maddock horror comedy universe का हिस्सा बनके. Is there any question you want to ask me, the audience? Any question? What would that question be? Dalia spotted. Spotified. Aisha, like, Sharshav. I'm going to start playing Damsharaz right now.
Invite Shashank and Amrita first.
Okay. अच्छा आयुष्मान आप पहले जवाब देंगे उसके बाद में I have one more thing to do but like yeah spot ask me the question now ask yeah we asked you so many questions what question would you like the audience
तुम क्यों डांस नहीं करती? जितने तीन गाने हमारे डांस वाले हैं, you not dance in front of us.
I do love dancing you don't follow me on Instagram you
Oh. I apologize. कहाँ भी मेरा डांस बहुत अच्छा क्यूट वर्जन है प्रेरणा मैं फॉलो करना बनता है
थैंक यू देखिए हम फटाफट से काम करते हैं इनको और स्पॉट में नहीं डालते हैं इनको आराम करने देते हैं ये पिक्चर को निकल जाने देते हैं हम जो धीरे धीरे कोशिश कर रहे हैं एक्साइटेड होने की लेट्स मेक श्योर दैट दैट एक्साइटमेंट कैन ट्रूली come to life on the 21st of October. Rashmika, Ayushman, Aditya, the entire team of Maddock, Universal Music, Spotify Advertising. I am so happy and glad. मैं जब कुछ करने वाली होती हूँ ये आती है मेरे पास में और मेरी स्क्रिप्ट बदल देती है हम थैंक यू बोलेंगे लेकिन उससे पहले हम कशिश कपूर को बुलाएंगे and for that I would like Ayushman and Aditya to take their seats.
Nice. That's great.
Come back in a second. Rashmika, just stay on stage. Don't worry.
We will dance together.
Let them be. Oh, बहुत बढ़िया. Aditya, Rashmika and Ayushman. Rashmika,
Please cheer for her.
Please
Please cheer for her.
come on stage. Kashish, come. कशिश कपूर के साथ में तुम मेरे ना सही is the song. Can we please play the video पर तुम मेरे ना सही Thank you so much. Ishmael and Rashmika, this is so many new things that we're gonna do on stage.
Thank you so much.
But if you take a selfie, Ishmael, stage, I second. Agree. I just like fun facts. Shashank on stage. Now, Shashank. Can you please come as well? Namrata, please come. आप नम्रता आपकी शक्ल देख के लगता है आप नम्रता है आप शशांक हो
Mics.
सेल्फी लिए गाइस आप सेल्फी नहीं सेल्फी आप इसलिए ये तुरंत फोटो ले लें वरना क्या है अब स्माइल लक्ष्मण दिखाई दीजिए Next photo, आगे बोलो प्लीज गाइस डांस में तो डांस तो नहीं कर रहे आप ये अगर ये डांस करने का मन जताएंगे तभी मैं इनका मन बंद कर दूंगी मीडिया पिक्चर्स yeah Spotify music on stage quickly thank you very much please come guys can you please thank you Yes. Yes. Thank you. Get a picture with your guys. Slow dance, dance.